this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 different types of affiliate marketing website. So if you're currently thinking about setting up your very own affiliate marketing website, but you're not too sure about the sort of site you want to create, keep watching and hopefully this video will give you a bit of clarity. Let's go. Hello, it's Alex here from WP Eagle. Hope you're all well. Thanks for watching. So yeah, in this video we're going to be exploring the different types of affiliate marketing website that you can create and that are out there on the internet to give you some inspiration and some ideas so that you can go out and create your very own site. Now, I've got a number of tutorials on my channel which show you exactly how to create an affiliate marketing website, and I'll be adding links to them as we go through the video in the relevant spots, so be sure to check them out, and if you miss the cards you can always find them in the description below. By the way, I've also got a number of other videos in the pipeline which I'm hoping to upload over the next few weeks, all about, again, creating your own affiliate marketing website. So be sure to subscribe by clicking on the button below and click the little bell icon so that you don't miss out when I do upload those. But anyway, let's get started and let me tell you about a few of the different affiliate marketing websites that are out there. Okay, the first one I want to mention is a blog site. So this is your kind of basic vanilla sort of affiliate marketing website. When I say basic, that doesn't mean you can't earn big money off them. You certainly can. A blog is basically just a collection of content. A good example of this is an affiliate site called babygearlab.com. On here you'll find loads of articles and how-tos and reviews, just basically loads of content all around baby gear. So it really helps people that are looking to make a purchase in the baby niche. They've got articles, for example, on how to choose a stroller, the best nappies, all sorts of things, everything a parent needs to know really when they're going to have a baby or they've already got a baby. The great thing about this site is that they actually purchase all the products that they're going to be talking about. Now that sounds quite excessive, I know, and obviously not every affiliate needs to do that. You can create your own content without buying all the products, but this really gives them an extra bit of credibility and it allows them to, you know, churn out lots and lots of really high quality content. Second sort of affiliate marketing website is an e-commerce style site. Now I do have a number of tutorials on how to create one of these on the channel, so be sure to check out the card and the links below. But the benefit of having an e-commerce site is that you have a blog, just like the first sort of site, but then you also have a selection of products on your site as well, and it kind of looks like a traditional e-commerce site. This allows people to kind of browse around and add products to their cart, and then when they check out, they then get redirected off to the merchant, for example Amazon, and when they make their purchase, you get the commission. You do still need blog content in order for these to work, but the benefit of having lots of products on your site means that you often get found for long tail searches. So when people are searching for, you know, things that are very particular and they're typing in long product names and codes and that sort of thing, there's a good chance that your product pages will come up for those searches and you'll get traffic that way. You will need a plugin or some other sort of software to help you manage this and kind of pull products in via an API. But yeah, they're a good site to have, and as I say, they allow you to pick up a lot of long tail searches as well as getting traffic to your main content like you would with a blog site. Third sort of site I want to talk about is a review focused site. So it's very similar to a blog site, but it's geared towards just offering reviews. So an example of this would be a website that I made a while back which was all around WordPress themes, where I added loads of content and added loads of reviews, and it had kind of star ratings, that kind of thing. I'll put a link up to the video tutorial on how you can make a site just like that. But yeah, it's a site that's very focused on reviews. That's the kind of main content that you're going to be offering, and you're helping people by reviewing products and then obviously linking off with your affiliate links so that people can make the purchase. The fourth sort of site that I want to talk about is a voucher code site. Now I'm sure you're familiar with these. A big one is vouchercodes.co.uk in the UK, and there's a ton of sites out there that offer voucher codes, and it is a very competitive niche, especially the more general sites. A way that you could possibly enter this market would be to have a niche voucher code site, so maybe just, you know, voucher codes for health products or baby products or some very specific niche. But basically the way this works is you create a site and you offer lots of voucher discount codes, and in order for someone to access those codes, they have to click a button or something like that then you know, sends them off to the merchant's site via your affiliate link, so they get cookied or indeed you create some voucher codes via your affiliate campaigns that you have with these merchants, and then when someone uses that code, they're then able to track that sale back to you and you get your commission. So yeah, the fourth type of site is a voucher code site. Number 5 is a comparison site. Now I'm currently in the process of actually making my own comparison site, but as the name suggests, a comparison site is just a place where people can go when they're looking for a certain type of product, and it allows them to compare prices and stock availability, that kind of thing, very easily. Now I'm creating one all around trainers, or sneakers as you say in the States, and it's going to be very specific in a very specific niche, and it allows people to find the cheapest price of trainer. The way you do this is use a plugin, for example Content Egg or something similar like that, where you can pull in lots of prices via an API. I'm using Affiliate Window, Commission Junction and Amazon, and pulling all the data in from all those guys and then laying it out really nicely, so people can clearly see where they can get the product for the cheapest price. If you're thinking of doing a comparison site, again similar to the voucher codes, I'd make sure that you go into a specific niche, that way you've got a good chance of getting ranked. And again, kind of all these sites, they are going to need content, so you are going to need a blog somewhere within there where you can serve up some good content and help people make a purchase. That brings us to the end of this video. I hope you found it useful. I hope it's inspired you and kind of given you some clarity in terms of the sort of site that you want to create. As I said, I've got tutorials on a number of these different types of sites. So I've got tutorials on how to create an e-commerce type site, how to do the review site, and as I say, in the pipeline I've got a video coming through on how to create the blog site and the comparison site. So yeah, if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe. You can click the little bell to make sure you get notified and join the notification squad, as I hear other YouTubers saying. Here's a video from the past, which I hope you'll enjoy. And there's a couple more channels that I'm on that you might like. Until next time, bye for now.